Hello and welcome to the Royal Northern College of Music Centre PRiSM, which stands for Practice and Research in Science and Music. And I think PRiSM is actually the right word because we want a kind of new lens to look at the collaboration between science, music, and actually many other disciplines too. The logo that we've chosen for PRiSM is actually a three-dimensional shadow of a four-dimensional octahedron. And this seemed right as a choice because music is in some ways a very high dimensional space. So we felt it was kind of perfect to have a prism that wasn't three-dimensional, but it was actually four-dimensional. I'm very excited that we actually have a physical space that we'll be able to come together, collaborate and create in, almost a musical scientific laboratory. And for me, one of the exciting things was designing a part of that space. So if you look at the floor of PRiSM's room, you'll see it's made out of grey and purple tiles, but the tiles are put in a very special way. So actually I've used one of the most important sequences in mathematics, prime numbers, to lay out these tiles. So if you lay out the tiles and the numbers in a spiral, which starts with 1 at the centre, and then you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spiralling round. But now you colour the numbers which are prime, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, in grey, the rest of the numbers being purple, you get what we call an Ulam spiral. So when you step inside the room, you're stepping actually into the prime numbers, some of the most important numbers in mathematics, but also numbers that composers have loved playing with too. So it seemed like the right kind of pattern to lay out in our centre. We've already had some very exciting projects that have come through PRiSM, a collaboration with Emily Howard where we created this piece looking at the connections between mathematical proof and music, which culminated in the performance of the piece, The New Scientist Live and at the Royal Northern College of Music. We've been looking at artificial intelligence and the impact that that will have as a new technology on music. And I must say, whenever I come away from a session at the Royal Northern College of Music with PRiSM, I come away with a huge buzz because there's such an amazing atmosphere in that space, and I'm always energized by all the events we do. So I'm really looking forward to the future. We've got some amazing things planned. We're looking to take that idea of an exploration between mathematical proof and music a little further with students, getting students in to use those ideas both at school level and at university level to see perhaps what they can do with those ideas. We've got a new project creating a new musical instrument using the idea of something called chladni plates, and we're going to see what will composers do with this new musical instrument, and so many more things as well. So the future looks so exciting with PRiSM.